What's up guys? This is Baby Snow. So here's a very important update with regards to our trend staking. So as you can see, live na ulit yung ating website but still hindi pa siya fully functional. So kung mapapansin natin, loading pa no yung mga stake supply, reward token, total stake, and as well as yung details ng ating mga deposits ay hindi pa visible or available dito sa site. So, there is a major maintenance happening and upgrading no dito sa ating website. So, we're asking for your patience. Yan. Once done yung ating major updates or upgrades dito sa ating site, ma-access na natin siya. But for now, if you want to withdraw your earnings, don't worry about your funds. It is very safe. And by the way, we are fully 100% verified smart contract. So, dun sa mga nagtatanong, no, pwede nyo pa rin i-withdraw yung inyong mga rewards. Lalo na kung tapos na yung inyong mga contract, pwede nyo i-withdraw yung inyong mga capital as well as your rewards. So, how to do that? By interacting directly sa ating smart contract. Pupunta lang kayo dito sa pinakababa. Ayan, makikita nyo dito yung staking contract. So, i-click nyo lang yan guys. Madadirect na tayo dito sa staking. Okay? Ang gagawin nyo lang, punta kayo sa contract. Ayan, makikita nyo naman dito, no? 100% verified, exact match. So, ito ang ating trend staking. And then, magko-connect lang tayo direct dito sa smart contract. So, gawin nyo lang guys is i-click nyo yung right contract. Connect your wallet. Click nyo lang yung connect to Web3. I-accept lang natin yan. Then, select MetaMask if you're using MetaMask. And, kung connected na siya, makikita nyo yung inyong wallet address dyan. So dito guys, sa mga options na to, ang pwede lang natin gawin is yung claim reward. Okay? And then, yan, deposit kung gusto nyo mag-deposit. And number 8. So, I will try to claim my reward. So, i-click lang natin yung claim reward. And then, dito, nakalagay dyan is PID, which means pool ID. So, we only have 3 pools. Yun yung maximum, standard, at saka yung light. So, ang ilalagay lang natin is 0, 1, or 2. So, yun lang yung options. Ibig sabihin, yung 0, that's the maximum pool. And then, yung 1, that's standard pool. And then, yung 2, that's the light pool. So, mamimili lang kayo doon kung saan kayo naglagay. So, here, I think doon ako sa maximum naglagay. So, ang lalagay natin is 0. Okay? And then, click na natin yung right. So, kukonect siya sa ating MetaMask. And you will see, ayan, meron akong available na 1,983 tokens reward. Okay? Pwede ko na i-claim yan. Click natin yung confirm. And that's it. So, let's check MetaMask. And ayan, nakalagay dito claim reward March 23. So, pumasok na siya. So, ito na yung winidraw natin guys. Ayan, so 1,984. Okay, so I have my withdrawals right away. Okay, so that's how you do it guys when you're claiming your rewards. Then, kung tapos na ang inyong contract naman, so make sure na alam nyo kung kailan kayo nag-deposit. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple guys kung paano ma-claim yung inyong mga rewards hanggat ongoing pa yung major upgrades na ginagawa sa ating website. Okay, don't worry guys, your funds are secured. Ayan, and pinakita ko naman sa inyo, this is 100% verified. Kahit na hindi ma-access yung website or yung ating user interface, meron tayong smart contract wherein you can interact and you can withdraw all of your funds. Alright, so ang kailangan nyo lang is dapat alam nyo kung magkano yung inyong mga dineposit and alam nyo kung anong pool yung nilagyan nyo. Okay? So, dito sa number 8, pwede nyo i-withdraw. Okay? Ang gagawin nyo lang, click nyo yan. And then, i-type nyo kung anong pool. Mamimili lang kayo sa 0, 1, or 2. Alright? And then, yung amount kung magkano yung inyong mga dineposit. Okay? So, that's it guys. I hope clear yon. Yan, para ma-withdraw nyo yung inyong mga rewards, daily rewards. And pwede rin kayo mag-deposit guys ha. Yung number 3, ayan, click nyo lang yan. And then, pool ID, again, pili lang kayo sa 0, 1, or 2, and yung amount. Okay, so, that's how you interact directly dito sa smart contract. Okay, habang naghihintay pa tayo. And we have a great news for you guys. Once natapos na yung ating major upgrades, magugustuhan nyo yung bagong interface natin. Okay? Merong mga added features na wala dito sa ating old site. Katulad na lang ng ayan, referral system. Syempre, pag shinare natin yung project, okay? Meron tayong ma-earn na additional rewards. Alright? So, that's all my update, guys. And again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings. Bye-bye.